What's the meaning of cab? Cab. Cab.
Cab. Cab. The term cab can have multiple meanings depending on the context. It can refer to a taxi or a specific type of vehicle that has a separate compartment for the driver and passengers. In the context of a horse-drawn carriage, it usually refers to a light, four-wheeled carriage with a folding hood that covers the passengers. The term can also be used as an abbreviation for cabin, cable, or cabinet. Overall, cab is a versatile word with various meanings depending on the situation in which it is used.